Subscribe to my channel It's Dipankar to watch movie reviews and more. And press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
कहते हैं सुर की साधना परमेश्वर की साधना है. म्यूजिक इज द वे टू कनेक्ट टू गॉड. संगीत एक ऐसी चीज है जो दिल और दिमाग दोनों को सुकून देती है. अब अगर संगीत की बात करूं तो भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत एक बहुत ही पुरानी म्यूजिक फॉर्म है जो 6000 साल पहले उस्ताद तानसेन जी ने स्थापित किया था. और शास्त्रीय संगीत की साधना करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है क्योंकि इसके लिए चाहिए डेडिकेशन, बहुत ज्यादा डेडिकेशन. लेकिन आज की जो जनरेशन है वो इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक सुनते नहीं है क्योंकि मॉडर्न म्यूजिक जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक पर हावी हो चुकी है. लोग कोरियन पॉप सुनते हैं पर इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक अ बिग नो. Amazon प्राइम में रिसेंटली रिलीज वेब सीरीज भी म्यूजिक पर बेस्ड है जहां इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक और इंडियन पॉप म्यूजिक का तालमेल बेहद खूबसूरती से दिखाया गया है. सो हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट इज अप? आई होप एवरी वन ऑफ यू इज डूइंग गुड. और अगर गुड नहीं भी हो तो डोंट वरी, बी हैप्पी, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑलराइट वेरी सून. So today I'm going to review the recently released web series Bandish Bandits. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Bandish Bandits is an Indian web series which is directed by Anand Tiwari and is produced by Amrit Pal Singh Bindra. And Shankar Ehsaan Loy are making their digital debut with this web series. It stars Shreya Chaudhary, Ritwik Bhomik and Nasiruddin Shah in the leads. So the story goes like this.
Radhe lives with his parents, uncle and grandfather Pandit Radhe Mohan Rathod, played by Nasiruddin Shah, a classical music singer who is held in high regard even by the Maharaja of Jodhpur. Sadly, their respectable public image is in stark contrast to their grim and unhappy home, where there are repressed desires and ambitions. Tamanna is a pop star and is quite popular among the youths. She comes as a breath of fresh air in Radhe's life. Radhe meets Tamanna in a concert of hers in Jodhpur. Inspired by the purity and sincerity of his voice, Tamanna asks him to collaborate her on a song. Radhe, however, is determined to follow his grandfather's footsteps and refuse to sing in any other style. But the financial crisis of his family forces Radhe to change his mind and accept the offer, although no one in his family knows about it. Tamanna offers Radhe a completely different musical experience that he finds enjoyable and liberating. The two also indulge in a role-playing sidetrack where they decide to fake a love story to get the right emotional vibe for the song they are creating. Tamanna and Radhe's song is a success and the two come together to form the Bandish Bandits and create more music together. In this process, both Radhe and Tamanna starts falling for each other. Meanwhile, Radhe's father arranges his marriage with his friend's daughter Sandhya, played by Trida Chaudhary. Her father happens to be the brother of Maharaja of Jodhpur. This gives rise to a clash and a strained relation between Radhe and Tamanna. Radhe tries hard to break the marriage but in vain. Later, Radhe comes to know from his friend that few years back an MMS of hers was leaked, which is the reason why her family wants to marry her off as soon as possible. Radhe's friend asks him to call off the marriage, but Radhe denies, saying that it is not the right thing to do. Sandhya overhears this conversation and she herself calls off the marriage. Tamanna and Radhe comes back together, and just when Radhe can have his Riyaz and his fusion too, enters Digvijay, played by Atul Kulkarni, Panditji's son from his first wife whom he has abandoned years ago. Digvijay wants his father to name him successor of his musical legacy instead of Radhe.
And what happens after that? Well, that you will know once you watch this web series. Bandish Bandits explores the world of classical music and modern music and redefines music in a whole new way. While the subject is very nice and the series is quite entertaining, I also feel there are some flaws as well. Before that, let me remind you, don't forget to check out our website www.edstudios.in, where we provide a range of services like 2D and 3D animation, graphic designing, branding, content writing, book publishing and lots more. The link to our website is given in the description box down below, so go check out and don't hesitate to call us if you need any of these services. Now the first flaw that I found in this series is the slow pace. This series has been made unnecessarily lengthy and I believe it could have been finished in just 7 to 8 episodes. The second flaw is the role play done by Tamanna and Radhe. इस कहानी में ये दिखाया जाता है कि गाने में रियल इमोशंस लाने के लिए ये एक दूसरे से प्यार का नाटक करते हैं, लेकिन अगर प्यार ही झूठा हो तो इमोशंस कैसे रियल हो सकते हैं? ये तो सोचने वाली बात है. So I think this part was unnecessary. But overall it is an interesting watch and you should watch it because it will take you to an unusual musical journey. और अगर आप नेपोटिज्म के खिलाफ हो तो ये सीरीज आपको देखनी ही चाहिए. Go watch this series and do let me know how do you like it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, keep loving, keep supporting, share this video if you think it's worth sharing, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and follow me on my Instagram handle.